Hi folks, welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. Doing a video for you today. This is a Century brand, Century Manufacturing Inc. out of Greenfield, Indiana. This is a model number 100. It's a 45-70 caliber, which is a huge caliber. This revolver is huge. It reminds me of Desert Eagle, but it's got the long barrel. It's made of bronze, and it's got the beautiful walnut handle. It's in very nice shape. This is a collector's type item. It weighs between 6 and 7 pounds empty. Just a beautiful piece. This sells online in our estate auction October 31st, 2023. KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com for all the information. This is lot number 509. Century 45-70 revolver. Thank you for viewing.